Good morning, dear students. I am Mrs. Reena Parade, your English teacher, and you are learning notice with me. Okay, we have seen some examples of notices for classes 11th and 12th. Here again, one more example is before you for the same classes 11th and 12th, and now we will sum up the notice chapter with this example. This is the last example I am giving you. After that, it's your duty to practice more and more from your book. Okay, many more examples and exercise questions are given in your book. After this, you have to practice on your own, make notes of them in your notebook, and when your school reopens, we are going to check. So pay attention now because it is the last example. We have first of all, we have to prepare a three-sided box with a ruler and pencil, scale and pencil, that I have already done for you. Question is before you. Second thing, we have to underline all the necessary details, reading the question at least 1 or 2 times. You are Govind or Geeta, underline. Studying in which school, name of the organization and place, clear. Name of the organization and place. Your school is organizing. Who is organizing? Our school is organizing. What? A blood donation camp in your locality. You have to understand the question first. If you cannot understand it once, you may read it twice and underline all the details. In your locality. Locality means the local area, local place, city, town, village where you are residing, where you are living. Okay. Where your school is. That is called locality. Locality doesn't mean your colony. The local town, place. Draft a notice in not more than 50 words. 50 words. Informing the students of class 12. This is very important. The blood donation camp is only for the students of class 12th. Clear, but notice can be written by anybody as I am writing. So now let us begin without wasting much time. Okay. First of all, name of the institute. Name of the institute in the capital block letters in full. Do not use abbreviations. Again and again I am telling you in every example. Government, SS means senior secondary school. You have to go a little slower because I am going fast, okay? Because I am preparing the video. Government Senior Secondary School. Where it is? Kota. It will not come there, so I am writing here Kota in the bracket. Name of the state if you want, or if you know the state, you may write. Do not write wrong state. First line is over. This second line, notice. Third line for the date in the left hand corner. Date, today's date we may put June 17, 2020. Clear. After this, body. For the body, you have to use 2 paragraphs. 2 paragraphs means one for informing the public and second is for invitation. Now here it is for the blood donation camp and it is only for class 12. So what we will start with? We will start like all the students of class 12th are hereby informed. Okay. Let us start. Oh sorry, we have to write heading. Children, please check that you have put all the things in the first four lines. 4 things are very necessary. We have not written the heading. 1, 2 and 3. Heading will be blood donation camp. What is being organized? Blood donation camp. Again in the center of the notice box. Donation camp. Please check your spelling from the question. It is blood donation camp. And all these 3 lines will be written in the block capital letters only. Now let us begin the body. It is for class 12. All the students of class 12 are hereby informed. Okay, it is only for class 12. All the students of class 12 are hereby informed that please go on reading again and again when you are writing. Otherwise, you may omit, you may leave by mistake some words. All the students of class 12 are hereby informed that our school, who is organizing? Our school is organizing what? What is it organizing? A blood donation camp. You may even for highlighting, you may even use beginning capital letters here. Blood donation camp. Where? In your locality in Kota. So we may write any hospital's name, because blood donation camp cannot be organized at any other building or any other institute. So it can be in the hospital only, because all the facilities are available there. Yes, blood donation camp at, we may take district hospital. Okay, local district hospital. Look over here. Take the names in the capital, beginning in the capital letters. Hospital where? Kota itself. Locality means local place. Kota. Yes. Now what else to be written here? We have to this event. Your school is organizing, but all the things cannot be arranged by your school. You have some institute or some club or some society may even coordinate. Coordinate means assist, help. Okay, not the organizer. Organizer is your school. All the things mainly will be done by your school, but somebody else can coordinate it, assist your school, help your school, along with join for this camp, because it is a good purpose. Okay, so the event we may write here. This is an event, blood donation camp. The event is coordinated. The event is being coordinated by. We may write the name of any club, any society, any organization who may coordinate, because we are writing imaginary notices, but it happens in the real practice too. But here we don't know the name of the coordinator, so we may write any name. The event is being coordinated by let us say Lions Club. Okay, name of a club, the Lions Club, where? Kota itself. So this information is over, hereby informed. Now we have to invite the students for what? For donating blood, not to see the picture. Okay. Next is, all the students are requested. Children, for donating blood you cannot force, you can only request. All the students are requested to, for what? To donate their blood. Yes, to donate blood. Where? At the camp. Okay, date, where, anything is required here. At the district hospital Kota. Okay, being organized by the Lions Club. We have not put up the date. The date if maybe not decided. Okay, or we may put up the date here, imaginary date, maybe 20th June, that our school is organizing a blood donation camp at the district hospital Kota. Okay, on June 20th we may write, or even when it is there you will come to know. Yes, because publicity will be there, means advertisements, information will be there through the newspaper also, because it is quite a great task donating blood, a part of our body. All the students are requested to donate blood at the camp. Now close signature now. Okay, who are you? Govind Geeta. I am writing Geeta. You may write, if you are a male boy, you may write Govind even. Geeta. Who are you? We may write secretary. Secretary of what? School club maybe. Secretary of the or students union. You may write students union. Geeta, secretary in the bracket, and here students union. The beginning letter to be capital. And after this, children, we have to close our box. Okay, rub the extra line. That's why I tell you to draw with the scale and pencil. After that you may outline with pen even. So close your box. Let us check we have done all the things. Information and then invitation. Please make it a habit to check your article or whatever you have written again. Okay, check it again. All the students of class 12th are hereby informed that our school is organizing a blood donation camp at the district hospital Kota on June 20. Clear? Then full stop. The event is being coordinated by the Lions Club Kota. Lions Club is also supporting. All the students are requested to donate blood at the camp. Clear? So here your notice chapter is over. Now it's up to you how much you practice and make yourself perfect. Thank you.